Welcome 4th standard children. This is your 6th video of the 3rd lesson. Now in the last 5 videos I've explained the lesson. I've explained the exercise at the back of the lesson, and the last I've given the picture to write a paragraph about the picture. I hope all have done that. Now in this video I'm going to complete the grammar page on page 52. On page 52, pronoun. Now in this I have explained to you all about pronoun, isn't it? What is a pronoun? The word used in place of noun. In the last video I explained to you all. So on page 52 there are some grammar exercise. I am going to take that. Now the first one, A, circle the pronouns in the conversation. Now you all know. Now the conversation between Ramesh and Shaji. Now conversation means angotum ngotum kaimarana sentence. Now Ramesh is telling, Daddy and I went to the shop today. So Daddy and I. Appa avade edana pronoun? I is the pronoun there. So Shaji, which shop did you go to? Which shop did you go to? അപ്പോൾ അവിടെ ഏതാ pronoun? You, you. മനസ്സിലായില്ല? അപ്പോൾ ആദ്യത്തിൽ I, അപ്പോൾ രണ്ടാമത്തേൽ you. പിന്നെ രമേശ് പറയാം, we went to the shop that sells sports goods. I really liked it. അപ്പോൾ അവിടെ ഏതൊക്കെ pronoun? we is a pronoun. പിന്നെ I really liked it. it അതും pronoun ആണ്. പിന്നെ ഷാജി, did your father buy you anything from the shop? അപ്പോൾ അവിടെ did your father, your is the pronoun. Buy you anything from the shop? കണ്ടോ? അപ്പോൾ അവിടെ your and you is a pronoun. The Ramesh, yes, he bought me a nice book on adventure sports. കണ്ടോ? Yes, he is the pronoun there. Bought me, me is the pronoun. So two pronouns, he and me. Now Shaji, maybe I should ask my father to take me there as well. Maybe I is a pronoun. My father, my. Take me. About 3 pronouns are there. I, my, me. കണ്ടോ? അപ്പോൾ 3 pronoun ഉണ്ട്. Then next, Ramesh, you will have lots of fun there. കണ്ടോ? അപ്പോൾ അവിടെ 2 you ആ വരുന്നത്. you and you. അപ്പോൾ 2 pronoun. Shaji, I can't wait to tell him. him and him 2 pronoun ഉണ്ട് അവിടെ. അപ്പോൾ അതൊക്കെയാണ് pronoun. അപ്പോൾ ശോഭ മിസ് പറഞ്ഞ മാതിരി നിങ്ങളൊക്കെ സർക്കിൾ ചെയ്യുക pronoun. Then the next, B, tick the pronoun that can replace the words within the bracket. കണ്ടോ? ബ്രാക്കറ്റിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് ഒരു നൗൺ ഉണ്ട്. ആ നൗണിനെ റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള pronoun ആണ് നമ്മൾ ആദ്യത്തെ നോക്കാം നമുക്ക്. Sam sings in the school choir. Sam sings very well. അപ്പം ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ, സാം ഇങ്ങനെ റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുമ്പം ഏത് pronoun ആണ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുക? he. ആദ്യം സാം പറയും, പിന്നെ അടുത്തത് എന്താ പറയുക? he. So he, tick he. Now Rohit gave a kite to his friend. The kite is blue. അപ്പോൾ കൈറ്റ് ആണ് ബ്രാക്കറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ കൈറ്റിൻ്റെ പകരം നമുക്ക് എന്താ ഉപയോഗിക്കുക? ഷീ ഉപയോഗിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. it ആണ് is the correct pronoun. Now the third one, Gopa and Senthil are watching television. Gopa and Senthil are watching the Discovery Channel. അപ്പോൾ 2 പേർക്കും ഏത് വേർഡാണ് ഉപയോഗിക്കുക? they, they. Now the fourth one, this is grandma's watch. Grandpa gave it to grandma. Anda, grandpa gave it to grandma. Gave it to her, not him, her. Her. Now please give some money to the children. The children want to buy some pencils and crayons. അപ്പോൾ the children. അപ്പോൾ the childrenന്റെ പകരം ഏത് pronoun യൂസ് ചെയ്യുക? they, T-H-E-Y, they. Then the next one, C, is the paragraph. ആ പാരഗ്രാഫിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് നൗൺസ് ഉണ്ട്. ആ നൗൺസിൻ്റെ പകരം ഏത് പ്രോണൗണാണ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുക കണ്ടോ. വൺ ഡേ നൈന woke up early in the morning. Now next sentence, Naina underline ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, looked through the window and saw something on the windowsill. അപ്പോൾ അടുത്തത് നൈനയുടെ പകരം എന്താ നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുക? She looked through the window and saw something on the windowsill. ഇനി മൂന്നാമത്തെ സെന്റൻസ് വീണ്ടും നൈനനെ പറ്റിയിട്ടാണ് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ ഷീ, അവിടെ ഷീ തന്നെ. She saw two grey colored pigeons. പിന്നെ അടുത്തത് the pigeons were building a nest. pigeons are plural ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ they, T-H-E-Y, they were building a, ഒരു pigeon ആണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ it എന്നാ പറയുക. ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ വരുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ they were building a nest. The pigeons felt that the windowsill was a safe place for their nest. It was interesting to watch the pigeons every day. അപ്പോൾ to watch the pigeons പറയുമ്പോൾ they അല്ല വരെ, them, to watch them every day. Soon the nest was ready, though the nest, അപ്പോൾ the nest one ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ it looked rather untidy. However, the pigeons seemed comfortable in the nest. അത് ഇറ്റാ, അത് സിംഗുലറാ പറയുന്നത്, the nest. അപ്പോൾ അവിടെ it ആണ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. So one thing children, using pronoun you have to write in this dash. So in this gap you have to write that paragraph. Now next one, D, fill in the blanks using suitable pronouns to replace the underlined nouns. So here, Rashid likes birds. He wants to learn all about them. So first one they have done for you. Now next one, Alan is good at mathematics. Next, he hopes to study it in college. കാരണം മാത്തമാറ്റിക്സിൻ്റെ പകരം ഏത് പ്രോണൗൺ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുക? ഇറ്റ്. അപ്പം അലൻ്റെ പകരം he hopes to study it in college. Now the third one, Megha has a health problem. Dash is allergic to some food. അപ്പോൾ മേഘനെ പറ്റിയിട്ട് വീണ്ടും പറയുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്താ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുക? She is allergic to some foods. Now the fourth one, the Chandrans always travel during the holidays. അപ്പോൾ the Chandransന്റെ പകരം എന്താ? They go to the hills. Now the fifth one, animals have a sixth sense. അപ്പോൾ ആനിമൽസിന് പകരം നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പ്രോണൗൺ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുക? They can sense danger. Now the sixth one, my computer is not working. Dash needs to be repaired. അപ്പോൾ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിന് പകരം ഏത് പ്രോണൗൺ യൂസ്? it needs to be repaired. Now Farah has written a book. പിന്നെ ഫറാനെ പറ്റി പറയുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഏത് പ്രോണൗൺ? she completed it, ആ ബുക്ക്, it, in 1 year. Now Pia has bought a new dress. It is very pretty. അപ്പോൾ ഡ്രസ്സിൻ്റെ പകരം നമ്മൾ ഏത് പ്രോണൗൺ? it is very pretty. So children, I will be writing this and sending you the pic of this, so you all can copy down correctly. But then too you all have to listen to my video and understand it. Now E, fill in the blanks with I, me, we or us. Now the first one, my name is Sudha. I am 9 years old. Now the next one, I have a friend called Ira. Now third one, we have been friends since we were toddlers. Toddlers means from small childhood onwards. Now number 4, our friends call us the twins. This is because we have the same hairstyle and often wear identical clothes. Now the sixth one, Ira and I are always together in school and at home. So that also I will be sending. Now the last one, F, tick the sentence in which the pronouns are used correctly. So the tick one you have to put a tick and the wrong, and that incorrect sentence, wrong ആയ sentence വീണ്ടും you have to write it correctly in this sentence. Now the first one, Sarah is taller than me. അത് ശരിയാണ്. Now we are going to a park. That also correct. Now the third one, our dog is going with we. That's wrong. So what is the correct one? Our dog is going with us. We അല്ല വേണ്ട, അവിടെ us എന്നാ വേണ്ട. അത് you have to write it here. Now the fourth one, us are also taking our football. അതും തെറ്റാണ്. Fourth one is also wrong. We are also taking our football. That also you have to write it here. Now the fifth one, don't trouble me. That's correct. Now the sixth one, do you want to go home with I? That also wrong. Adenda vendadu. Do you want to go home with me? Avada me aanu vendadu. So that also you will correct it and write. Now the seventh one, this is a simple task for we. That also wrong. This is a simple task for us. That also you have to write it. Please repeat after I. No. Please repeat after me. Me a vendadu. Now the ninth one, the baby smiled at me. That's correct. Now the 10th one, me want to go swimming today. Adu sheriyano? No, it's wrong. I want to go swimming today. Now the 11th one, they were very good cricketers. That's correct. And the last one, the 12th one, do you want to play with she? Nammal arenga parayana, do you want to play with her? H-E-R, her, that's. So these wrong sentences you all have to correct it and write it in this gap. Okay children, thank you. So the next video I will be starting the new lesson. Thank you children.